Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now in this previous lecture, we discussed the decimal fraction, means how to identify the decimal fraction. Okay, a fraction in which the denominators is either 10, 100, okay, 1000, 10,000, all are multiples of 10. Okay, these fractions are called decimal fractions. Now see, here one example given. What is the example? 8 by 10. Okay, here is given one example, 8 by 10. Now you have to convert into the decimal. Now I'll show you how to move the decimal points. How many zeros? 1 0 in the denominator. So you have to move the one digit from the left towards right. You have to move the one digits. Okay, if in the denominator having two zeros, so how many digits you have to move? Yes, you have to move the two digits from the left to right towards left. You have to move the two digits. Okay, see, here is given 1 by hundreds. So here is, what is the answer in the decimal? 0.01. Okay, this is one example how to move the decimal point. Okay, I hope you understand that. If you increase one more zero, so you have to move three numbers. If you increase one more zero, you have to move the four numbers. Now see, here is three zeros. Now move the decimal point from the right towards left. Yes, that is a 0.001. Okay, this is the decimal point. Okay, so 1 by 1000 and 0.001, the both are equivalent. The both are equivalent. Okay, now take like this example and try to solve. Now I'll tell you how to identify the place values. Now normally the place values we can start from the ones, tens, hundred, thousands. But in the decimal fractions you have to, the decimal fraction, the place value started from the tenths. Okay, it started from the tens. Now here having the, see the decimal point, if you make a part of that, you have to make the two sides, that is one is left, one is right. So the right sides all are the decimal place value and the left sides all are the whole place values. Okay, in that decimal points the first place value is 10th place value. So the ones, the one की place value क्या है यहाँ पे? That is the 10th place. Okay, it is normally start in the 10th place. And what is the place value of 0? Yes, that is the unit or ones. Okay, now let's see the another example, 0.001. Tell me, after the decimal point, the first zero is, what is 10th? Second zero, that is 100th. And last one, what is the place value of one? That is the 1000. So you can move like this decimal point and identify the place value. Now here 1 by 2. Okay, 1.2 is there. And what is the place value of 1 here? Unit and ones. After the decimal point, what is the place value of 2? It started. Yes, that is the tenths. So how to read? 1 and 2 tenths. You can read like this. 1 and 2 tenths. Isn't it? Suppose you convert into the fraction. What is that? 12 by 10. 12 by 10. Okay, and you can read like this also. 1.2. Okay, you can read like this also. 1.2. I hope you understand how to convert into the decimal points and how to write down the decimal point and how to move. Okay, see 0.25, 0.25 also you can say. 25 having two numbers, so there is hundreds. 0.25 or 25, you can read from both way. Okay, I hope you understand this. Take more example like this from the decimal fraction and try to